In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a no-code app with Grok AI, step by step. First, open Grok in your web browser or launch the Grok app and sign into your account. A stable connection helps here, because we'll be exchanging a few detailed messages. Next, start a fresh conversation by clicking New Chat. This gives you a clean workspace dedicated to the app you're about to build. Now, describe the app you want to create in clear, specific language. State the purpose, list the key features you expect, and mention who the app is for. For example, you might say, create a no-code app for managing daily tasks with reminders, or build a simple no-code app for tracking expenses. Include details like a login system, notifications, and whether you need data storage. The more context you provide, the more accurate Grok's plan will be. So think of this like writing a short brief for your ideal app. If you already have a preferred platform in mind, note it here, so Grok can align the plan with that tool's strengths. Press enter to send your request. Grok will respond with a structured blueprint that outlines layouts, workflows, and features. This is your high-level plan for what to build. Around this point, remember that the official website link to Grok is placed at the very top of the description, so you can open it directly. If you prefer using the app, you'll also find a download link at the top of the description. Ask Grok to expand on the visuals next. Request interface designs for each screen, suggestions for buttons, menus and navigation, and simple mockups. Clear descriptive prompts like design the home screen with a task list, add button and settings icon will help. Then have Grok generate step-by-step build instructions for a no-code platform you like, such as Glide, Adalo, or Bubble. Pick one that matches your comfort level and target features. When you have the blueprint, the UI ideas, and the implementation steps, copy everything. Keep it organized in a document so you don't miss pieces when you switch tools. Now start building your app in the no-code platform you chose, following Grok's instructions. Paste any provided text, set up screens as suggested, and configure data as described. Stay close to the blueprint to keep your app consistent from plan to build. As you implement, check back with the same chat whenever you need clarification on field names, data types, or navigation rules. That's how you build a no-code app using Grok AI step by step. Thanks for watching.